What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will show you how to update graphics driver Windows 11. So if you have a graphics driver here and you want to make sure that you play your game in the optimal settings, or in this case, the latest version of your, in this case, GPU, what you need to do here is you want to follow a few things. So if you have a standard one, like for example, you're not using NVIDIA or you're not using any of the popular GPU out there, what you could do here is you want to access your, in this case, device manager. So when I go to search here, just type in device manager. Now, under device manager, you want to go ahead and look for display adapters. Go ahead and expand that. Now, for example, if you only have like Intel UHD graphics here or Intel graphics, you want to go and right click on it and you want to go and click on update driver and just choose the search automatically for drivers online. Now, this will automatically search for the best driver or the latest version for your driver here. And simply speaking, this is how you update your, in this case, GPU. Now, if you have the more popular ones, like for example, I have NVIDIA, well, this one is kind of different. So in this case, if you're using NVIDIA or any popular GPU out there, what you need to do is you need to visit their official website. Now, what I did, this is the easiest way that I'm doing this. So you could actually just go to Google here, just type in NVIDIA drivers, and you should be able to see the first link here for the actual driver for your GPU. Now, click on the download official NVIDIA drivers. And from here, you could go ahead and search for the driver for your GPU. Now, you can go ahead and enter the category, product category here, what series, the actual product, and the operating system that you're running it right now. Now, by the way, you could go ahead and choose or get the automatic driver update here. So you can either choose the best for creators or professional workstation users. So in this case, go ahead and choose whatever option here. So it will redirect you to the NVIDIA app. Let's go. You can go and click on download now here. And once you see, or once you've downloaded this one, you just need to run the .exe file and install the actual app. But once you've installed the app, you just need to open up the app. So this is just an example. And from here, you want to go to the left side here, just go to drivers, and you just need to click on the download or update button here. And from then on, just wait for the update to complete, approve any requests, or in this case, permissions needed. But once you've done that, restart your PC, and you should now have the latest graphics driver for Windows 11. So in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.